Ready.
All right, what's your name and the name of your business?
I'm Cory, the Love You to Life coach.
Awesome. And did you enjoy the workshop tonight?
Very much, actually. It's right exactly what I'm in the middle of, so it was perfect timing. And I'm really grateful that you invited me because I'm editing my coursework and trying to split it up, and everything he talked about was just on point. So it was very helpful.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What did you think about the speakers themselves? And the
Very knowledgeable. Yeah. Clear, just very helpful. Perfect, answering questions, everything, just you could tell that they were super knowledgeable.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And what are you going to leave out of here and then go and use right away?
So my business partner already uses Descript and was talking about us using it, but I haven't used it, so it was good to know more about what it does. And then ChatGPT, I'm in the midst of taking a course and turning it into a book, and just found out that it's going to be way easier now. So I'm really happy about that. And then also what was it? I have it written down. CapCut. I'll check that out for Instagram and stuff. So pretty much everything. Yeah, pretty much everything. I'm gonna go check it out, so thank you.
Awesome. You think that other people should come to the workshop?
Oh yeah, I've been to several, and I've always learned something. And sometimes you'll see me on my phone because I'm taking notes, but sometimes you'll see me on my phone because I'm implementing what I'm learning. So I'll jump on Instagram before while it's fresh, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna use that right now. So it's been helpful. Yeah, all of them.
That's awesome. You're the best.